How many physical points of contact can your body feel right now? Take a few seconds and check in. Stress can easily disconnect us from our bodies, often causing us to live from the neck up. The 5-minute practice that I'll share in this guided meditation is a powerful way to recenter. And it's a way to tune in to how your body actually feels right now, which develops embodied awareness. And with continued practice, one research-supported benefit is that it's a simple way to self-regulate the nervous system and reduce stress. For example, there was a study of war veterans that found that 72% of participants reported decreased stress reactivity after using a body scan method like this. Another benefit is that this practice provides an alternative to the object of meditation being the breath, which some people can find difficult to focus on. And alternatively, bringing attention to physical points of contact is a sensory experience that is also immediately available at any time. So to get started with this contact points practice of mindfulness, the essential idea is to simply bring attention to the points of contact where your body is feeling surfaces around you in contact with your environment. To begin, number one, you may notice your posture, and you may center yourself. Find a center of gravity that allows you to be alert and also relaxed, dropping the shoulders, relaxing the muscles in the face, in the back, the hands. You can have your eyes open, perhaps with a low gaze, or you can have your eyes closed. And you may take a few deep breaths, and on the exhale, seeing if you can release any tension. Allowing yourself to sink into your seat. And two, you can bring attention down to your feet and the lower part of your body, noticing where you make contact with the ground. The seat beneath you, the materials that touch your skin. Might be your sock, your shoe, your feet on the ground. Notice the textures. And three, you can move up to the lower legs, the thighs and the hips. Notice where the body makes contact with your seat. Notice points of pressure, that sense of density and heaviness or lightness. The temperature, there's warmth, coolness. How the body feels resting weight in this area. You might notice next, for number 4, your hands and your arms, how they're resting, Perhaps the hands are in your lap or on your thighs, noticing where they make contact with the body, with the air on the skin. Five, bring attention to your torso, the backside of the torso, your lower back, upper back, and shoulder. The same points of contact, either with the air or perhaps the back of a seat, clothes on the skin. Number 6, noticing the front of the torso, the abdomen, the stomach, the chest area, any points of contact. Number 7, noticing the neck, the head, your face and scalp, and the hair and contact around it. And as you wrap up, allow this to be an invitation to notice a point of contact in different moments of your day.